it's time for a real-life example. Suppose in this language dictionary, my code is EN is English. My key 2 is JA, which is Japanese. The third key is ZH, Taiwan. The value here is traditional Chinese. For example, language EN, it gives English, right? Language JA, my key is JA, it returns Nihongo, right? Suppose my search text is traditional Chinese. Actually, you don't need to type out the search text because when you code your app, it's just one of the values of the Dropbox. Here, I'm just showing you, so I type out the search text value. Alright? So what is my result? It's a list. Inside it, here it comes as first item. Okay, 0. In this list, I'll use the filter function, which is in a filter. The first one is the function. The second one is the iterable, which is this language, this dictionary, right? Usually, I'll just fill in lang first. What comes before it is a function, right? My function is lambda. I don't use I this time. I use x instead. Actually, they are the same. X here means the language, dictionaries, each item index. For example, the first index is EN, the second index is JA, the third index is ZH, Taiwan. So X is my language index. When X, language, square bracket, they all go together, isn't it just like this? If it's English, it shows English, JA shows Nihongo, something like that. This X is in fact the key of the language. Language, this dictionary, combined with this key, X, when it's equal to my search text, which is this traditional Chinese. Actually, if you don't use search text, but type traditional Chinese instead, enter, the result will return Z Taiwan. That's a practical example on how to retrieve the dictionary key given its associated value. Hope it helps. Ciao.